I didn't think I needed an ice maker until I tried this. Now I can't imagine not having one. This compact countertop machine makes 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in as little as 6 minutes and up to 26 pounds in a day. It's sleek, space-saving, and the built-in handle makes it easy to move from the kitchen to the patio or even camping. I keep mine right next to the water cooler, so I've got fresh ice all day for cold drinks. Super convenient. Operation is incredibly simple. Fill the 1.2-liter tank with water, press on, and you're done. There's even a light that comes on when the water runs low, which is helpful if you forget to check. And the noise level? Way quieter than I expected. Under 42 decibels, so it runs in the background without being disruptive. It's perfect whether I'm working, entertaining, or just enjoying a quiet afternoon. I love the shape of the ice. It's smooth, compact, and melts slowly. Great for iced coffee, sparkling water, or whatever I'm drinking. I used it during a house gathering recently and I kept everyone's glass topped up with zero effort. One thing to note, it's not a cooler, so it won't keep ice frozen long term. But for on demand ice, it's absolutely reliable. The included scoop and removable basket make serving and refilling quick and easy. Cleaning is just as simple. Hold the power button for 5 seconds to activate the self-cleaning mode. I run that about once a month and it's good to go. No buildup, no hassle. So if you're done with ice trays or buying bagged ice, this is the upgrade. Thanks to the brand for sending me this ice maker to try. I've always wanted one and now it's taken the chore of ice making completely out of the way.